Listen up. You've probably heard people screaming, buy Bitcoin, altcoins to going to the moon, or crypto is dead. But let's be real. Most people have no clue what blockchain or crypto even is, why coins are going up and down, and how to avoid losing their life savings to scams. So today I'm going to be breaking down to you in plain English, no tech jargon, no fake hype, just the truth about how crypto works, how prices actually move, and the traps you gotta watch out for. By the end of this video, you will already understand 90% of the people who think they know everything about crypto. So let's dive into the video. Okay, so what the hell even is blockchain? Okay, I'm gonna tell you this in simple words. Imagine a notebook, okay? Instead of you holding it, millions of people share the exact same copy. Okay, this notebook or blockchain is public. Okay, every time a transaction happens, let's say you say I'm buying one crypto coin or I'm sending you one Bitcoin, it gets written in the notebook every time. Okay, and no one can erase it, no one can fake that. Okay, that notebook, that's the blockchain. It's basically just a public digital record that's nearly impossible to hack. Okay, because everyone has this literal same version. That's why people hype crypto. It moves the middlemen like banks and puts power back into the hands of regular people. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency at its core is a digital coin. Okay, it's technically a digital coin. It's digital money, but not like the digital money that is in your bank, where the bank controls it. Because people might get scared that banks control it. Oh no, they might freeze it. Okay, they might freeze it, or they might even block your account. You might lose your money. It's all to the banks. Well, cryptocurrency, you see, cryptocurrency has no middleman. Okay, it has an algorithm. There are two types of cryptocurrency. Okay, two big types. There's centralized cryptocurrency and decentralized cryptocurrency. Decentralized cryptocurrency is the cryptocurrency no one controls. Okay, decentralized cryptocurrency are like Bitcoin is decentralized. Okay, no one controls it. It runs on its own on an algorithm. That's why it's so beautiful. Next is Ethereum. Okay, these decentralized cryptocurrencies run on networks powered by the community. The community, I mean, the coin is to the people. Next, there is some popular crypto coins. There's Dogecoin. You know the meme Doge. Yeah, that one. That one. Yeah. Dogecoin. There's also Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano. These are just crypto. Still with me? If you just learned something new, smash that likes button and hit the subscribe button. I'll keep it simple all the way. Next, we go to why do coin prices go up and down? Well, why do coin prices go up and down? I'm sure it'd be like a dollar. $1 is equal to $1. A pound is equal to a pound. Okay, so why do they go up and down? Now let's talk about the juicy part. Why does Bitcoin skyrocket one month, crash the next, then skyrocket again? It's simple, supply and demand. Everybody wants Bitcoin, prices shoot. And if everyone panics and sell, prices tanks. Okay, so here's what it is. It is like you could say 100 Bitcoin. Okay, you got 100 Bitcoin. If a guy buys 25 Bitcoin, then there is 75 Bitcoin. That means the rarity has increased. Since the rarity increases, the price also increases. And since the price of something can increase, and if the price of something increases, the price goes up. Now, the price goes up. Now, there are a lot of other things considering this. You could say there are a lot of people who start to sell there because they think, oh, that's enough for this. I'm gonna retire now. That's enough profit. or people want to sell and buy another coin, and there may be reasons why people could sell. People sell it back, and the 100 coins they were, these are called a pool. Okay, the they sell it back and put it back in the pool where it is accessible for everyone. Now, since it's back in the pool, the it's not as rare as it was before. The prices fall. Okay, since the prices fall, it becomes less rare, so the prices fall. So the coin gets less trust, and some people might even buy when prices fall. That's gonna rise again. So there are different things to study. But here's the kicker. Okay, crypto isn't like stocks which are tied to companies making real profits. With crypto, prices are mostly driven by news, emotion, and hype. Like you could say India's tariffs. They were just India's tariffs. America put tariffs on India. So the prices fell, thinking that India's economy, you know how big India's economy is gonna fall. Next, you saw Elon Musk put Doge's icon on his Twitter page. And you know how big of a giant Elon Musk is. So then, technically, Elon Musk made Dogecoin boom. Yeah. If the government bans, if the government bans it, then the prices might fall. That, oh no, this country is not with cryptocurrency. People are gonna be sad. I'm gonna sell as well. And big companies buy crypto. Let's say Elon Musk's company buy crypto. Let's say Twitter or X. Now I may say buys crypto. The prices pumps. There was rumors of crypto week. So the prices were booming. So coin prices fall. They rise based on fear and hype. That's why it's so risky. Now, of course, crypto isn't perfect always. There's money. We're playing with money. Of course, people are going to start to scam you. So there are disadvantages and traps I'm going to tell you that you must avoid. Okay. First are fake coins, pump and dump schemes, influencers pushing garbage tokens. If it sounds too good to be true, it's a scam. Fake coins, I mean, people are technically gonna, let's say, a popular influencer, a popular crypto YouTuber says, buy this coin. It's his coin because since if someone buys it, he's also gonna get a part of a profit too. And then he stops working on the coin, stops upgrading the algorithm or something like that. He leaves it. The coin goes to hell, and he gets rich, and you get scammed. So watch out for that. Next, there's volatility, extreme volatility. You could wake up rich, but you could also go broke by dinner. Unlike bank and stock markets, crypto isn't regulated the same way. There is no safety net. Okay, so you have to check the volatility, how stable, unstable it is. That is very big. And now this is the biggest trap. Okay, there's something called FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO. Okay, you people FOMO in when people FOMO when the price is high, then panic sell when it crashes. Like people will buy when the price is high because when the price is high, people would sell. Go now, profit time. But people have the fear of missing out. Okay, oh no, people have fear of missing out. That oh no, the price is high. Being high, I'm gonna miss being rich. They buy and they panic when it's profit. But the other people, the thousands of people who already bought it, they would think, oh, it's enough profit for now. I could sell for late. I could sell now and become rich. So that's that. And then there are hacks and rug pulls, leaving your coins on shady exchanges and poof, they disappear. Always store long-term crypto in a hardware wallet like MetaMask. Bottom line, crypto can change your life, but only if you respect the risks and play it smart and safe. Okay. So should you invest? Here's the $1 million question. Should you invest? My answer only with money you're willing to lose. This is a high stakes poker. Fun if you win and painful if you lose. Don't throw your life savings at it. So learn first. You have to start small. $10, then $15, then $20, maybe $50 if you wanna jump. Never invest something you can't afford to see vanish by greed. Don't come into greed, okay? Because you can lose all your money, all the money you had can vanish, because in crypto that can literally happen. Okay, so now you know, blockchain is basically a giant notebook. Coin rise and fall on hype, demand, and emotion. And these traps, scam, volatility, FOMO, avoid of all at all running costs. Crypto is powerful but dangerous. If you understand that balance, you're already ahead of most people. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Demon Rex, and drop a comment. Are you team Bitcoin, Ethereum, or nah, I'll stick to banks? So, see you in the next one.